Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna get money from my friend right here. I'm gonna get Abyss Sigil as a new player. And I don't know what the fuck that is. Got these stats. Give me your items. Ay putang ina namatay.
Ba't mo cancel this guy? Uy, trade
So,
me.
wait lang.
This guy.
Wait lang. Oh shit.
Bigyan ko nga. In case lang.
Ooh.
Tapos, yan ang bigay ko.
Para saan yung Abyss Sigil?
Pang spawn lang ng boss.
Kasi, 200, 300 yen, no? Binigyan ko siya 400. Sakto for isang, ano.
Title.
Ba't hindi niya pa ba nakuha yung kailangan yung clan?
Hindi pa. Need ko frostbite.
Oo. Meron ako lahat eh. Kailangan mo ba yun? Pwede na bigyan 1,000.
Hindi ko na.
Mugetsu. I got the Mugetsu.
Sige, pre, out na ako. Asal ng chakot tayo. Pero dito lang ako.
Tingin ako.
Okay.
Ano pre,
Damn,
watch me gamble. Ano magandang clan dito, boy? Yamato.
Nakadepende.
Uy,
Yung best, ano.
Hindi, kala ko Yamato
Wait.
maganda.
Punta ko ng inventory mo.
Okay, punta yung inventory.
The storage.
Ito ba dapat yung inventory ng ano?
Diba sa Blackroot may bayad yung ano, inventory? Para store yung fruit. Yan, libre na.
Ay,
Yan mo lang ilagay yung risk. Never.
I'm gonna reroll.
I don't have chest. Oh,
372, let's
kaya mo na
go.
yan. Punta ka ng settings mo. Pwede mong yun, yung notification. Or kaya, punta ka clan reroll settings.
Ay, na-open
Skip
ko na.
mo yung,
Lahat, anong maganda rito, pre? Eminence.
Eminence yung the best for, luck. Kasi yung Eminence may 25% siya. Plus 1 extra drop.
So, need ko yun.
Yeah, you need that.
Yes, I need that. As if ibibigay sa akin yun. Nah. Putang ina. Oy, Eminence! Eminence!
Oo mo?
Oh,
Eminence?
Oh, gago!
This guy is so lucky, bro.
What? Tat ko nga kayo.
Meron ba ako?
Hanggang ano oras ka pa?
Oo, siya. Siguro 11:20. Baka mag-out na rin ang member.
11:20. Sige, 10 minutes. I'll just get a little bit of recording. Parang dali naman mag-remix eh. Kung ganyan.
Sir.
Basta may mayaman kang kaibigan. Ang dami.
Gem lang yun. Talaga. Wala yung binibigay mo.
Tradable yan? What the fuck?
2 minutes later.
Okay, tulog na ako yan.
Yeah.
Hello guys, after some off-camera grinding, we got the ice cream to B10 actually. What is B10? I don't know, it just makes it stronger, I guess. Let's also check, we have 1,800 adamantite, and here are my stats after, I'll show on screen how much time I grinded. Nibanda! So we got the E10 outfit, we got the Emperor, we got the Radiant, we got the Upper. What the fuck is this? Oh okay, so we got everything, I guess. We got the Luckborn stat, or whatever, here's vegetable stats, we have 1293. Disregarding the fact that I'm not using elements, which we will in a bit. Elements doesn't really have big difference in life, rather, gives you the ability to gain a drop from the enemy, a fixed chance, which is pretty good. Here is my storage currently, not that much, for the traits, since I don't really need traits. Got 2 frosting clans, and I guess we got the Upper clan, which we were kind of grind. Got some spikes here, got 28.4%, and 29.4%. Basically, God roll. Chris Brands, and I think I'm using Colossus right now. Colossus is way better, honestly. So yeah, how long did it take me? Yeah, you already know. Did you buy any form of game passes? Yes, I did. I only bought the 2x luck. Knowing the fact that I have this much luck right here, you can see. And the 2x luck and luck. So, I did grind a little bit. This game is really addicting, even though it's a peak, quote-unquote, peak slot game. I'll probably be grinding the skill tree, I'll probably be grinding the skill tree as well as the boss rush upgrades and the tower upgrades, so that I can min-max the build. I'm also farming artifacts as well currently, alongside the skill tree, so that I wouldn't have to do this ever again. And after that, I'll probably be min-maxing some more on tower, because tower is probably the one that's gonna take a while, so. Or maybe the skill tree, I don't know, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was my beginner experience being spoon-fed by my friends. It's kind of funny. Probably be posting more videos about this rather than Soulsar and Game, because it's shipping still. And I'm getting burnt out because I don't really know what to make of it, or what content to make of it. So, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, maybe subscribe. Like your comment, maybe comment, maybe 6, 7. That's funny. Anyway, that's all for today. It's 8 in the morning. Have a great rest of